ahead.
Want to say we're sorry, Schmitty. That we. Can you take this, Mac?
Yeah, man, I
help him out
this.
here.
Hey, man, we just want to say we're sorry for icing you out in the past, and we'd like your forgiveness.
Yeah.
Get on your knees and ask.
Excuse me?
Get down on your knees and ask. Show some humility for Christ's sake.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Whatever it takes, Schmitty.
Wow, you're really doing it. I'm kidding.
Good work to the left-hand side. Chipped in dangerously, 1-1 for Arsenal. And it's all level.
Yeah, he's been the team when you're on the ball.
Saka has a go! Comes keeper's coming, pulls it out, and the header is in.
Realise he's not going to be able to generate that much power, but he did as much as he could and put.
And check this out.
Zinchenko. Cross-face, a goal in!
Bye-bye then.
Loser.
De Bruyne, Haaland! De Bruyne assist, Haaland gone.
No good.
Still Grealish.
Oh, hell no!
Ake on towards goal. Haaland makes it two at the Etihad Stadium. Half time. Perez, 3. Well, it will be now. Cesar is going to have to make room.
From Gallagher. Oh, and Badiashile took it down, and then it's off the post, and the follow. There is a check going on at the moment. Offside.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Get on one more to Lewis Hall. Ziyech, oh, that's into a great. Ziyech, on he goes. It's still Ziyech, and Ziyech. Now Gallagher.
That's a penalty.
Mudryk going on. Mikhailo Mudryk.
بالعرضية المرسلة لا تزال المحاولة الله جول إلى رودريغو يتقدم بكرة ملعوبة تسديد الله عبقري البساطة يصل أخيرا
يا رافينيا هدف في منتهى الروعة لبرشلونة.